One of the things that might surprise people if they visit Saudi Arabia nowadays is the popularity of dogs. It's a country that's changing very fast, and dogs went from a haram animal now to very much a beloved pet and part of the family. And in fact, my friends have 6 of them, and their neighborhood kids love to come over and say hi to the dogs, which honestly can be hilarious but also annoying. So next is, well, I guess trigger warning, this is a sheep's head. It is served right on top of the floor, and you eat communally. Everybody eats with their right hand, and after eating you have to wash your hands because you eat with your hands. Forks and knives are just for the salad. After eating, we smoke shisha, which is something I very much enjoy doing, especially with Howard's brothers. They are such sweet people. Like, they honestly treat me like I'm one of their real brothers. And yeah, I just cannot thank them enough for their hospitality. I've met them, I've met their kids, I've met their wives, and they don't just call me a brother, they literally treat me like I'm one of their brothers. In fact, what'll come up soon is a field trip I took with Howard's brother to see his factory, etc. So keeping in mind that my friend Kadam is only 24 years old, he already owns a small factory where they do metal torsion and welding, as well as use the local palms. Palms are the heart of Al-Ahsa, and you can see a gorgeous moon above the palm oasis there. And basically, yeah, without palms, there would be no life in Al-Ahsa. Going back to ancient times, they were even a source of food. These are heart of palm, which are eaten everywhere, but they're eaten much less nowadays than they used to be. So my friend's other project, along with his brother, is they have a pet shop, and here is one of the cats, but we'll come back to that later. Right now we're gonna go to an event, and I'm wondering if, just by looking at my outfit, the top, again, you can guess what kind of event it is. There was a drone flying. So, as you've no doubt guessed by now, it was a wedding. My friend Kadam's friend's wedding. I have to say, Saudi weddings are a bit of an ordeal for me. I do find it very much an honor to be invited, but it's crowded and it's separated by gender and it's very busy, and yeah, there are literally drones filming everything from up above. But Kadam's, one of his close friends was getting married, and it was an honor to be invited. However, afterwards, I did need a little break, so I went to the rooftop with my friend Mohammed's brothers Qasim and his other brother, who you'll see in a second, Muntadr, and smoked shisha with them and just kind of chilled on the rooftop, literally under the stars, which was a nice way to end the day. A very busy but wonderful day.